uFloyd udlala i-dirty game but basho abantu be-EFF bathi uzonigila uFloyd. Siyazi kwena kuma by-election wena Floyd uthi zikhona imali athi uyithatha eGoli. Kuma by-election ade seGoli kunemali oyithathile wena. Abantu akade bestand abantu bakho. Because bakunika imali. Wawo wakho umuzi lapha eBhaliti wakhela intombi oka 14 million. We are aware. Siyazi yonke leyo nto. Sikhathele sasa kuyoqala esinye story futhi uFloyd yosuso kunyokushisa kusasa nizokhohlwa iground nikhohlwa kumaka ama-angeli nikabane nodwa masingayenzi leyo nto uFloyd asiphumeni kuye nje baningi abantu abakhona uFloyd anabo kuma groups anabo kuma.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And also don't forget to smash the like button. Man, I'm starting to feel sorry for Floyd. I'm really concerned because when it's like ever since I la Pimala Sondwen la Boshiri, everyone is just dragging him. Now Uketli will keep a video la TikTok dragging the poor guy in Kosiam, and I'm like, wait. Nini the 16 June uJacob Zuma naye abekakhuluma ukuthi yana amulwa ngekhulana ukuthi vela akafuni kuba lana like bekakhuluma ngaye nje like speech sakhe was about uFloyd Sibamba because uFloyd Sibamba kazange aya attend le rally. I think beka somewhere yena akazange abe khona mhla ka 16 June ngalesikhani bane rally. So I feel like everyone is just attacking the guy, man. Everyone from MK is just attacking the poor guy. And ukhethlele said ukuthi uJacob Zuma umthanzani because uguy ave a campaigner abet abantu ukuthi bajoine MK so nje uJacob Zuma yatifela ngakhethlelisi. Today uFloyd Sibamba tobe like a press conference lenda abantu abaningi badebude ukuthi mhlambe ufuna ku-announce ukuthi yaphuma ku-MK. We don't know, but now I think ukuthi uguy shame umuntu ophuma ku-MK because yabona ukuthi where there's no future and mahibe dathi uyotivulela yakhe iqembu lakhe utivulela iqembu lakhe. So yo kumatima I'm sure la khona umalema ohleka kancane ukuthi hey bocabanga ukuthi uyapi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.